Hi, I'm Rodney from One Step Papers, and today I'm going to show you how to make customized note cubes using our new ceramic HE paper. We're going to be using a Geo Knight DK Combo press, and along with that you could get a note cube attachment sold separately. So once you print on the paper using a Color Laser Copier or printer, you print mirror image and you cut the paper to size so that it fits each side of the note cube. As you can see, the paper curls normally, which is normal for most hard goods papers, but one of the nice characteristics of this paper is that the toner doesn't scratch off or chip off, which means that you could decurl the paper without any concerns of damaging the image. So once the paper is flat, we're going to place it on the note cube and press it. We're pressing at 300 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 35 seconds using medium to high pressure. One of the characteristics you want to know is that always make sure there's even pressure across the whole cube. Sometimes when there's not enough pressure on one of the sides of the cubes, it will not transfer evenly. So you just have to make proper adjustments inside the cube holder. Put a little piece of paper or anything to lift up the side that's not pressing accordingly. We're also using these pieces of plastic on the sides, and that's to make sure that when you place the pressure on the note cube, that the cube doesn't move towards the side. So this keeps the cube nice upright, making sure for an even, nice transfer. We press for 35 seconds. Once it's done, we just wait 5 seconds and we peel it. Unattach it, and there you have a personalized note cube.